Hello friends, my name is Sankalp and today I am going to show you how I created my dashboard for Makeover Monday week 34. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, then please subscribe the channel. Actually I was not going to upload video for this dashboard, but Neutrino 5445 have requested me to do it, so here I am. Let's start the video. The theme for this week's Makeover Monday challenge was unmet contraceptive needs of women around the world. So this was the dashboard I created. I used map, used Vision tooltip, also used the bar plots, and I have made this design in the Figma app. So now I'll show you how I created design for this in Figma app. So let's go to Figma. So this was the layout I created in Figma. These are just the texts. I have just dragged and dropped them. I am making a separate video on how to use Figma. So please subscribe the channel and press on the bell icon to get notified when I do that. So first I will export the desktop and then I'll export this click to see full report button. So first we'll connect our datasets. I have created two different datasets from the data given in this week's challenge. This is to create different charts. So first is this dataset, and now we'll connect second dataset. Go to sheet 1, click on data. Now connect the dataset. This is the pivoted dataset which we will use in the bar plot. So let's start with our visualization. Click on sheet 1. Drag country to the worksheet. All the countries are plotted now. Drag percentage unmet to colors. Now edit colors. Double click and in HTML code write E238EC. This is the hex code for the color I have used in my dashboard. Click on OK. Now go to map layers, select washout as 100% so that only the relevant countries will remain in our view. Now go to format, click on format borders. In row divider pane, select none, column divider, select none. In this way we hide the corners of our map. Now we will rename this sheet as maps. Now go to second sheet. Drag country to the rows. Drag percentage unmet to the columns. Sort this view. Now press Ctrl and then drag country to the filters. Select top by field 10. OK. Apply. Oh, this happened because we didn't select control properly. Now select control and drag it to filters. Top by field 10. Apply. OK. Now change the view to fit height. Go to format. In header select font as 10, color black, bold. Select alignment to the center. Again go to format. In field select sum of percent unmet. In numbers select percentages and in pane select percentage. In scale alignment select up. Now change the color to pink. Decrease its opacity and select border as black color. Now go to format lines, go to rows and in axis ruler select black line. Go to edit axis and remove the title. Now again go to format, change the font to 10, color black and bold. Now hide field labels from row, rename the sheet as unmet needs. Now go to new sheet, drag country to the rows, drag percentage met needs to the columns, sort the view, control drag country to the filters, go to top 10, by field 10, apply OK. Select view to entire view, format, in font select 10, color black and bold. Go to format, in font select black, 10 and bold. In scale select number as percentage and alignment as up. In pane select percentage as numbers. In this, select color as gray color, decrease the opacity and select border as black. Go to format. In format lines, rows, axis ruler, select black color. Now again go to format. Okay. In alignment, select the center one. Okay, not for totals, select the center alignment for default. Okay. Hide field labels for rows. Go to edit axis, remove the title. Now rename the sheet as met needs. Okay, now make a new sheet for tooltip. Name it tooltip. Now select the second data source, drag country to the rows, drag percentage contraceptive availability to columns. Now we have to drag contraceptive availability dimension to the color. Go to its color legend and change the color of all the three parameters. Select gray color for met needs, for not applicable. Select some darker shade of gray so that it can be seen properly. Select OK, and for unmet need, select the pink color that we have used in our dataset, that is E238EC. Select OK. Click on apply and then OK. Change the view to entire view. Go to maps. In tooltips, go to insert. In sheets, select tooltip. Select OK. Here you can see your viz in the tooltip of maps. Now we'll edit this. We'll drag percentage contraceptive availability to the label, drag percentage not applicable and percentage unmet to the tooltip. Okay, we will write percentage not applicable. In insert, select sum of percent not applicable. In percent met, okay, it's not here. We have to drag it in the view. So we'll just, for now we'll select OK. Remove the percent unmet. Drag percent met needs to the tooltip. Insert. OK. Now you can see in tooltip you can see the viz and the data both. Now we'll edit this chart. Just go to format, change the numbers to percentage in axis and pane both. Go to map, and here you can see viz in tooltip shows the data in percentages. Okay, so now drag unmet needs to the tooltip. Go to tooltip. Okay, here you have to put sum of percent unmet. Okay, you can now see data and viz in tooltip both. Now we have to show the data in percentages, so we'll go to just format, go to fields, sum of percentage met needs, go to numbers, percentage. Again go to sum of percent not applicable, pane, default, numbers and percentages. Do this for all three of this, and you can see in tooltip all of them are showing in percentages. Now it's time to create the dashboard. So create new dashboard, drag image, choose an image, choose this image which you have exported from Figma, change its size, width is 1000 and height is 2400. Remove the padding, go to layout, outer padding to 0, select the dashboard, outer padding to 0. Now go down. Okay, so here you have to drag the map, select floating and drag the sheet of map. Adjust the size according to your needs and drag the color legend downwards. Now drag unmet needs to this section and adjust its size. Hide its title. Drag met needs to this section. Hide its title. Okay, now we have to create the button. So for that, drag image, choose this image, and for target URL, okay, you can put any URL you want in that. So when you put your URL, when you click on that image, you will be redirected to that website. So in this, I'll just copy this, I'll go to RViz and I'll paste this, click on apply and OK. See, I just click on it and I got redirected to that PDF. Now I will just adjust the size of this image. Okay. Yeah, right. And congratulations, your dashboard is finally ready. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment if you have any doubts, and please subscribe the channel for more of such awesome content. Thank you.